Hey AMS students, hope you're getting all your work done. Try to do it not in bed.
AMS, we all miss you. I hope you're staying safe. I hope your family's healthy, and we'll get through all of this together.
Wash your hands and don't stop learning. We miss you.
Hey beautiful children of AMS, I miss you guys and I miss bothering you guys. I hope everything's okay. See you soon.
Hey guys, miss you so much. Be careful and be safe.
Hi everyone, I hope that you're well and that you're taking good care of yourself and your families, and I really hope we'll see each other in person again soon.
Miss you so much and I hope you're safe.
Hey kids, I miss you 2,000 pounds. Stay safe.
Miss you all. Nice job on adapting to the online learning.
What's up, you guys? I miss all the corny jokes that we have, and I miss you guys laughing at my corny jokes. And I miss hearing yours. 2, 1.
Hey AMS, we miss you very much, and we know that this is a crazy time, but we'll definitely get through this together because we're an AMS family. Now get back to Google Classroom and get those assignments done.
I really miss you guys, and I cannot wait till we're in the classroom together again. Until then, be safe.
Hi AMS, we love and miss you so much. You have worked so hard this whole year, and during remote learning, we are beyond proud of each and every single one of you. Now, we only have a week and a half until our pre-summer special schedule, so let's make sure that we are catching up on our classwork, contacting our teachers, and getting help if we need it. Remember, your whole AMS family is here for you because we are all in this together. So let's make sure that we're working hard, we're learning every single day, we're exercising our brain, and we're getting ready for the next level. We love you. Can't wait to see your faces. Bye.